Welcome back. This next question in our multiplication series now involves some division, which of course is the opposite of multiplication. And this is when things get a little bit trickier. And you might look at this question and think, whoa, what is this? But let's see if we can approach this in a smart manner. Okay, so let's take what we know already. That's 17 times 18 times 19 equals 5,814. And now we're dividing by 51 and dividing by 38. So the key thing here is to remember that when you're dividing by a number and then dividing by another number, it's actually dividing by the product of those two numbers. For example, if you were to divide by 2 and then divide by 3, you are actually dividing by 6. Okay, so that's something worth remembering. Okay, so 51, we need to see a link between 51 and the numbers we were given as in our clue in the beginning. And I know 51 is in the 17 times table, so 51 is 17 times 3. And then the next number, 38, which times table is that in? Well, it's a multiple of 19. We know that 19 times 2 equals 38. So let's use all those clues and put it together. So 51 is 3 times 17. So underneath I'm going to write 3 times 17, and 38 was 2 times 19. Okay, so we have this situation here. Let's see if we can do some cancelling down. Whenever everything is linked to a multiple with a times in between, we can simply cancel what is the same. So 17s cancel and 19s cancel. So I'm left with just the 18 on the top and the 3 times 2. That can be simplified to 6. So my answer is actually quite simple. It is 18 divided by 6, which equals 3. Okay, so just follow those steps and have a go at the questions below to see how you do. Good luck.